And the city of Sanibel is deploying more boats to canals to try and clean up some of that dead fish. The high volume of dead sea life has prompted that addition. 111 contractors are now out working. Just yesterday, the city removed 14 Goliath groupers, 1 tarpon, and thousands of smaller dead sea life. And red tide is taking a toll on Southwest Florida beaches. But some good news tonight. Not every beach is experiencing those harsh side effects from the algae, but unfortunately, businesses everywhere along the coast are. In Captiva, hotels are seeing one cancellation after another. Even though the beaches are in pretty good shape over there, we sent NBC2's Ashley Dyer to Captiva to check out those beaches firsthand.
There still aren't many people along the beach today here, as you can see, but it does look pristine compared to what we've been seeing. I took a walk a couple yards in each direction along the shoreline, and I didn't see one dead fish.
The water is beautiful. There's no foul smell.
This is what Captiva beaches look like today.
As you see on the beach today, it's absolutely gorgeous out there today.
But hotels are still taking quite a hit. They're seeing cancellations every day.
Normally on a day like this, the last weekend before the kids go back to school this next Friday, all these cottages will be full, be 100% sold out. With the cancellations, we're about 75% today.
The beach conditions aren't absolutely perfect.
It's certainly impacting the arrivals. It's impacting the level of enjoyment for our guests.
And the effects from red tide can change quickly depending on wind and other factors. The beach near Tween Waters Inn did have to be cleaned this morning.
I had to pull her out right away, just seeing the fish, and then we were wondering what was going on.
Locals say compared to what they've been seeing and feeling, the Captiva beaches look incredible.
And at this beach, no, we cannot smell anything, so the water is definitely better compared to Sanibel and Fort Myers.
I haven't experienced any red tide symptoms here at the beach in Captiva. If you do want to get some sun this weekend, this is probably your best bet. In Captiva, Ashley Dyer, NBC2.